Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. And today I want to talk about a really bullish and also fun way everyone watching can start earning passive income. So guys, watch the video till the end because this could be a really great video for everyone looking for the passive income streams. Before that, I need to remind you, not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always the research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
Today we are talking about a project and also platform called GoMining. Also, we're going to talk about their brand new game and really bullish again way to make passive income called Miner Wars. So first of all, let's jump into the GoMining to learn more about the platform, and then we're going to jump into different features, utilities, and talk about the Miner Wars because I think the Miner Wars right now look the most exciting. So with this platform, you can buy digital miners backed by the real power of data centers and receive rewards every day. Upgrade their mining farms, complete simple daily tasks, and get involved in the game to increase your profit. So this is a really short explanation how this platform works, but let's scroll down and learn more. So first of all, you don't need to buy any gear to start mining. And this is really important because if you want to start mining crypto, it's really hard right now. You have to buy expensive gear, you have to have ventilation, you have to have all this technology, and it's a really big upfront cost. And also you need to have lots of knowledge. And with this project, you don't need any knowledge. You can just start using it today. Next up, no problems with equipment and maintenance and no associated risk or headaches. And everything is online. By the way, if you want to start using any of these products I'm showing on the screen, you can find the links in the description. Next up, we have information about the actual project and platform and how it actually works. So they have 9 data centers in different countries. They have 7 years of blockchain expertise. They have 166 million in market capitalization, market cap, and their equipment is working all the time. And we have some of the key points of their platform. So first of all, they have the GoMining token, and we have all of the utilities of the token. So first of all, it's accepted as a means of payment when you're buying your NFTs. It also makes it possible to pay for the NFT maintenance. It can be used to pay for the game mechanics, and it's accepted as a means of payment for goods in online stores. Next up, we have the product, which is NFT of the GoMining, and this is really important. I would say the key feature of this platform. So they are backed by the real fleet of devices and mine Bitcoin, have a larger ROI than any real miners, and this is really important. You actually get more ROI using this platform, these NFTs, than buying the gear yourself. And this is really, really important because they offer way better product. Next up, it gives you opportunity to play a game and earn more, and the cheapest and easiest way to start mining it. And this is the main reason why I'm doing this video, because I think this is the easiest way right now to start mining and earning really great ROI on your money. And lastly, we have GoMining. But for this video, I'm concentrated more on the mining itself. So right here, you can see the first NFTs to mine Bitcoin, and you can purchase them. You can see different prices. Some of them already sold out. And if you want to buy them, you have to go to the marketplace. And now I'll show you how to get started. So first of all, use the link in description, or if you're on the website, let's click Get Started. This will open you their GoMining dashboard. First off, you have to sign up using your email. It's a really simple process. Just sign up. It will take you a few minutes. Next up, right here on the miners, you can create your miners. So let's click Create Miners, and you can choose different levels. You can see level 1, level 2, level 3, level 8. So the higher the level, the more output. So let's go for the level 3. Next up, you can see the energy efficiency. You can see information for the monthly, for the daily, and for the yearly. So let's, for example, go for the yearly. Next up, you can see the Bitcoin price. You can actually see the calculations depending on the price. You can go for the current price, or you can, of course, go for the future price, but let's go for the current price. You can see maintenance, GoMining. You can see the pool payout. You can see the annual ROI. Again, if you click, for example, $90,000, you can see ROI is up to 70%. And if you want to start, you can see the price right here. You can see your ROI. You can see all the information and how it's going to be working. Again, it's really transparent, really great for the new users, for the people who are just starting out, because you can see all the information is super easy to use. Next up, if you want to start, just click Next, complete your payment, and this is how you start mining. Again, you can see they have lots of different options. We have let's go something more expensive. So for example, level 16, let's go yearly, and let's go Bitcoin is 80,000. And right now you can see how much money in rewards you can get. Again, if you want to buy it, let's click next and you can purchase your miner and start mining same day without any gear, without anything. Again, this is a really cool way to start mining and earning passive income. And now let's move to the fun part and the big reason why I'm doing this video. It's Miner Wars. You can see right here, it's in the purple. Let's click it. They have their own app. I will show you how the app actually works. And they launched this cool game. Right now, these games are extremely popular and I think it's a really smart move by the project to do it. So first of all, let's learn more about the actual game. So in this game, you compete for the Bitcoin and the GoMining rewards. So you can join a clan or create your own clan to mine the next Bitcoin block and claim Bitcoin and GoMining rewards. Build your strategy and use powerful spells to outsmart your competition and get on the top. So basically, it's really gamified way to mine these tokens. I think, again, it's really smart and I haven't seen any similar projects. That's why I'm really excited. Next up, the game is available on the App Store and also on Google Play. I'm going to show you the App Store option a bit later. First of all, let's see what they're offering. Next up, you can see how the actual game works and the tutorial. So first of all, choose a powerful digital miner. So you can create your own miner or activate a bonus miner. Get ready to enter the battle for the BTC and the GoMining rewards. Second, boost your score. So use temporary boost to increase your score during a round. You can speed up the point accumulation or purchase ready-made points. 97.5% of all tokens spent on boost contribute to the prize pool, and timing is crucial. Apply boost at the right moment. Next up, increase your mining power. So upgrade the digital miners to boost your permanent power. Accumulate points faster in every round. The stronger your miner, the greater your potential BTC and GoMining rewards. After that, try to catch big multipliers. So you can see how big of multipliers they're offering, like 64, 32. So don't miss out on rounds with the largest multipliers to win bigger share of the prize fund. Each multiplier shows how many blocks are you battling for in the current round. And you can see more information. Again, you can find all the links in the description. But now let's move straight to the game, straight to the app. And again, you can find all the links in the description for this game and for everything, how to find it, how to set up. So we're going to use the same account we just created for the GoMining because you can use it on the app also. And let's open the app. So once you're in the app, you get again all the instructions how to use it. Kind of talked about it. So start playing for free. Next, unite the clans. Next, increase your score. Next, become a top miner. Get weekly rewards. Maximize your rewards. Again, so we are now ready to start. Let's confirm. And you can actually buy a miner, so unique miner or a bonus miner. So let's activate for free the bonus miner. So again, you can do the same thing on your phone and now you can join or create a clan. So let's, for this example, join the Your Future clan. Okay, ready to enter the game. Okay. Now it's loading. Next. And this is how the game looks when you're starting off. You get all the instructions. So you can see your high score. It's in the middle. Let's click next. Next up on the right, you can see the clan score. At the top, you can see your power, the points per second. Lower, you can see this service button. You can actually click this every day to get extra points. Next up, we have the spells. And on the top left corner, we have our balance and our points. So you can actually top it up. This will help you actually get more rewards. And now we have to wait for the next round to start playing. But let's check out some of the buttons and what do they do. So first of all, we have tasks. This is coming soon. As I mentioned, this is really new, really fresh. That's why I'm doing this video, because we can be first to join on the game. And of course, this gives us advantage like with any other game. If you're first, if you're early, of course, you have advantage over new players. We have the leaderboards. We have the rewards. You can see the personal, the clan, and the owner. And lastly, if you want to go back to the GoMining dashboard, you can click GoMining and this will bring you to the GoMining dashboard. So finally, the round finished and we can start playing. So I will do a quick overview how it all looks when you start playing. So once we open the app again, we can see we have our mining number, our clan is working, and we have the service button, which you can click every day to get your points. So basically every day you have to open the app, and of course, this will help you maximize your gains. Next up, as I mentioned, you can do different boosts. Of course, you can pay for this boost, or you can play with your clans. And of course, with these games, if you pay, if you invest, you're making way more money. Next up, again, you can see the number is growing. So again, the more you use the app, the more you click, the more you invest, the more money you're making. It's kind of play to earn, I would say, game, but also it offers passive income. So again, just play with the app. You can try it for 5 days for free, and then of course you can buy different plans, different miners. In my opinion, this platform looks really, really bullish. Again, as I mentioned, the main thing, you can start mining without any experience. Just buy these NFTs. And that's it. They're running, you're earning passive income. It's that easy. Also, you can play their new game, Miner Wars, which brings you more rewards, it's more fun. And of course, as I mentioned, we are super early. This gives us a big advantage over new players coming later. So guys, links in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our free Telegram. It's in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.
Get money.